Hello students, uh, doubt clearance of first periodic test. The first question was, does RBI deals in the share market? Never. RBI never deals with the share market. It is a forbidden functions of the RBI. RBI does not deals with the public and uh, does commercial banks say, deals in the shares? Yes, all the commercial banks have their investment in the share market, their mutual funds, debentures, so they deals. RBI never deals. Next question was, uh, does who signs the Indian currency? The Indian currency, 1 rupee note is always signed by the finance secretary of the central government. But the 2 rupees note and onwards up to 2000 rupees note are all signed by the governor of RBI. 2 notes and 5 rupees note are now has been banned. They are not in the printing. So except 1 rupees note, all the notes are signed by the governor of the RBI, who make the declaration कि I promise to pay the bearer a sum of that much rupees. But the one currency rupee note is signed by the finance secretary. There was another question कि when the RBI was undertaken by the Indian government. So RBI was established on 1st April 1935 as a federal bank, but it was undertaken by the Indian government on 1st April 1949. So Indian government undertakes federal bank and rename it as a Reserve Bank of India, and it was incorporated on 1st April 1949. Which of the following is the not a function of RBI? So RBI does not opens account to the public. RBI does not opens account to the public, and other are the functions. All the other functions are functions except RBI is the custodian of foreign currency, it controls the credit and do other things, but it does not do only one thing, that is open the account with the public. Next was, is the primary function of money? Primary function of the money is medium of exchange. Stores the value, keep in cash, distribution of all income. All these are the you can say the primary function is the medium of exchange. All are the secondary functions. Primary functions means medium of exchange. Author of the Journal Theory of Employment, Interest and Money was John Maynard Keynes. J.M. Keynes was the writer of that. Who is known as the father of economics? Adam Smith is known as father of economics. At that time there was no micro, macro, only economics was considered. So neither the modern or the ancient economy. Which of the following is the capital expenditure of government? A capital expenditure, payment of pension, purchase of shares, payment of subsidies, grant to the public. So purchase of the shares is the primary function of capital expenditure of the RBI, central bank. Which of the following is the revenue expenditure of the government? Payment of interest is the revenue expenditure. Again there was a question, direct taxes, excise duty, entertainment tax, wealth tax and sale tax. So wealth tax is the direct tax. Okay.